Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are starting our SQL learning series. And our very first topic is one of the most important, that is the select statement. By the end of this video, you will know how to fetch data from any table using SQL in a simple and powerful way. Okay, let's get started. In SQL, the select statement is used to get the data from the database table. It's like saying like, hey database, show me this information. Okay, here's the basic syntax. That is select column name from the table name. Got it? Like, for example, I can say select, I want like first name. Okay, I can select the column here, that is first name from the table. What is my table name? That is customer. Okay, what happened here? This command, what happened? This command simply selects all the customers' first name from the customer table. Here we got output that is first name. Got it? Then, if you want to see more details like first name, last name, and country, separated the columns with the commas. Okay, look, what we have to do? First name, comma, last name, comma, country from the customer table. So if I run this one, look at this one. This will show each customer's first name, last name, and the country. Got it? Now, to fetch all the customers from the table, what we have to do is like we have an asterisk. We have to use an asterisk. Instead of all this, I'll remove this one. I'll write star. Select star from customer. I'll run this one. Look at this one. So this means that it will show me everything, all columns and all the rows from the customer's table. Okay, fine. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next SQL tutorial.